How to check TikTok Creator Fund balance. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view all the reels shared on TikTok. Then, tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're in this page, you need to tap on the three bars or menu at the top right corner. After that, you need to select the option TikTok Studio from the menu. Then, you will get to see this option Estimated Rewards. Tap on it. Once you're in, tap on this View option. Keep hitting the next button. Jump to this page and tap on the option Transaction. All kinds of monetary transactions will be recorded. From here, you can easily keep track of your TikTok wallet. So, by following these steps, you can check your TikTok Creator Fund balance.